Hi, this is Mrs. Clark, and welcome to my video about the triangle angle bisector theorem. So in our unit on similarity, this is one way that a triangle can be split and sides can become proportional. So let's write this down. The triangle angle bisector theorem states that an angle bisector of a triangle will divide the opposite side into two segments that are proportional to the other two sides. Okay, so what that means, if you look here at the example, we have an angle being bisected here. AD is the bisector. So this line AD is splitting up this side down here into BD and DC. And the proportion of these is the same as the proportion of the sides. So if you look, CA corresponds to CD. So if we think of it this way, CA is going to match up with CD in the same proportion that BA is going to match up to BD. So the side over here is split in the same proportion as these two sides. So we can use that information to do these examples here at the bottom. Using the triangle bisector theorem, find the value of x. So in this first example, we have, again, an angle bisector here at the top. So that's going to make 10 correspond to 7, and 5 correspond to x. So 10 over 7 is going to equal 5 over x. And do my cross multiplication. I'm going to get 10x equals 35. I'm going to divide both sides by 10 and get x equals 35 for this first problem. Easy peasy. So look at the second one. Again, we have an angle bisector splitting the bottom side. So this 4 over here is going to match up with 3, and this x over here is going to match up with 6. So 4 over 3 equals x over 6. Cross multiply, 3x equals 24. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 8. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do this last one and see if you're right. Okay, so we're back. This angle bisector is going to split the side so that 8 matches with x and 4 matches with 10. So I'm going to get 8 over x equals 4 over 10. Cross multiplying is going to give me 4x equals 80. Dividing both sides by 4. X equals 20. And there we go. So anytime you have an angle bisector in a problem like this, it's going to split that triangle proportionally. And remember, you can use a proportion to set up the sides and find one of the pieces that is missing. Thanks for watching.